Assalamu alaikum, dear four students. It's me Rabia Azam. How are you all? Hope so you will be fine and enjoying good health. Students, today I am going to discuss worksheet number 5 with you people. The topic of worksheet is my restaurant visit. Now I am going to read the statement of this worksheet. The statement is that tell a story about time you went to a restaurant. Who were with you? For example, here who were with you here in this for this question you can write he or she was with your mother, he or she was with your mother, your father, your siblings, friends, etc. What did you eat? Here you will write the item of those things which you ate at that time. And the next question is, why did you go to the restaurant and why was it special? So when you will write, hope so you will enjoy it and take care of yourself. Thank you.